Being a beginner looking to get your first handgun can be intimidating. The selection of options is huge. We are here to make the selection process easier for you when looking to purchase your first handgun. While the selection that we provide is not the end-all, be-all is a great place to start. We included many popular, well-respected brands that are reliable. Smith & Wesson M&P 9mm 2.0 Compact. The M&P M2.0 is the latest in polymer pistols, offering the newest innovations in design and materials. The 18-degree grip angle offers a more natural point of aim. 4 interchangeable grip inserts allow for a more customized fit. The aggressive grip texture permits better control even when wet. A 1 in 10 muzzle twist increases accuracy. The low barrel bore axis reduces muzzle rise and permits faster recovery. The longer barrel provides greater accuracy at the expense of requiring a larger concealed carry holster. But the longer barrel does come with less muzzle flip, which makes it a great choice for less experienced shooters. And mightier trigger pull weight reduces the tendency to force the firearm off target during firing, and the audible trigger reset allows the new shooter to learn proper follow-up techniques. The total package is designed to shoot better, which in turn allows the new shooter to learn faster. Regardless, either model will feel phenomenal in your hand thanks to its excellent ergonomics. Each M2.0 Compact comes with a matte black finish and is made with super durable materials. This is also a relatively affordable concealed carry firearm compared to the competition. Shadow Systems MR92 Combat. The MR92 Combat is a tactical pistol with custom quality features available off the shelf. Although many owners may never rely on it to win a gunfight, they will enjoy the reliability and function it offers on or off the range. Many of the features are designed to reduce recoil and increase control during rapid fire. The new shooter will find these features increase the ability to learn proper shooting basics. These include a ledge for the support of the hand and thumb, contour that sits lower in the hand, and the excellent grip texturing. Other nice features include the 3 removable back straps, the removable magazine well, and even an included back strap removal tool. As you can see, this is a fairly customizable pistol. The slide and barrel are both precision machined and built to last, and most major pieces are made of high-quality stainless steel to facilitate long-term consistency and performance. Other features include a 1 in 10-inch twist, which is safe for use with a wide range of bullet types, front-rear directional serrations for safer handling, and a carry-safe trigger with drop safety included. Sig Sauer P320X Compact. The P320X has been turning heads since it was first introduced. Now, shooters can get the same features and performance in a compact version designed for concealed carry. Many of these same features make it ideal for the beginner as well. The redesigned modular polymer frame features a low-profile internal magazine, well and reduced fastback cut for easier concealment. The high undercut trigger and extended beaver tail increase comfort and recoil control. Aggressive slide serration allows for easier operation under stress, and the X-ray 3 sights improve performance in low-light conditions. The P320X Compact includes 2 magazines which are available in either a 10 or 15 round capacity. It is also compatible with optional Romeo T1 Pro reflex optics. City P10C. The P10C may be Sears' take on the Striker Fire pistol, but is much more than a copycat of what else is on the market. Sears designed this firearm to be easier to shoot and be more accurate, even for the beginner. Sears designed the P10C to be comfortable. When you pick it up, the first thing you will notice is it feels like it belongs in your hand. The grip angle allows for a natural point of aim. The addition of a mild palm swell, deep beaver tail, and 3 interchangeable backstraps allows you to get as close as possible to a firearm that was made for you. The generous trigger guard with undercut was designed for military shooters wearing a glove. However, they also allow the beginner to obtain a higher, more controllable grip. Left-handed shooters will appreciate the fact that it also includes a reversible magazine release. Sig Sauer P365XL. The P365XL is an ideal choice for any shooter, including beginners. It has quickly become the standard by which other concealed carry firearms are measured. But the P365XL takes it a step further by offering the same reliability and comfort in a micro-compact package. Now you can have full-size shootability and concealability all in one. The P365XL features an extended slide and a 3.7-inch barrel. Although this adds the weight necessary to better control a micro-compact, it only increases the overall length by 0.5 inch. The new X-Series grip design with extended beaver tail and integrated magazine well increases control and magazine capacity without becoming too bulky to conceal. Finally, the flat profile trigger allows for better, more consistent finger placement and breaks at 90 degrees, which decreases the tendency to pull the firearm off target at the last minute. Smith & Wesson M&P Shield Plus. This is part of the many features Smith & Wesson has incorporated and the modern design that takes advantage of the latest in handgun design. The flat-face trigger allows for a more consistent finger placement, which increases accuracy and decreases follow-up time. The audible and tactile reset is easy to detect. Aggressive grip texture permits easier recoil control even if wet. An 18-degree grip angle provides a more natural point of aim, and the deactivation lever allows for disassembly without having to pull the trigger. A big plus on the safety side for new shooters. This pistol is also well suited for concealed carry, something beginners may desire as their skills increase. The slim design allows for easier concealment without the weight of a full-frame pistol. Tritium night sights increase accuracy in low light conditions, and it includes both a 10 and 13 round magazine. Springfield Hellcat. At first glance, the Hellcat may seem like too much gun for the beginner. The red dot and compensator look like they belong in a 3-gun chute rather than a new shooter's holster. But both can provide confidence and greatly reduce the learning curve, something that a beginner in need of a concealed carry firearm needs to consider. The RDP starts with Springfield's extremely popular Hellcat design. The Hellcat is the highest capacity micro-compact 9mm. It allows the user access to as many as 14 rounds in a compact size. The slide includes aggressive serrations for slip-proof chambering. The Gen 2 trigger includes a more ergonomic design and trigger safety. A top-of-the-slide load indicator lets you determine status with a simple glance or feel, and the hammer-forged barrel is extremely accurate. The RDP model adds a hex wasp low-profile red dot sight and self-indexing compensator. Both allow for faster target acquisition with increased accuracy. With the addition of proprietary hardcoat anodized aluminum construction, this is one of the most accurate out-of-the-box micro-compacts available. Canik TP9. This is a Turkish-manufactured firearm with a budget-friendly price tag, but do not let this deter you. It has taken the US market by storm with many favorable reviews by experts and users alike. The Striker Fire design does not utilize an external safety, so there is one less thing for beginners to remember. A top-of-the-slide load indicator and red cocked indicator on the back of the slide let you know it is loaded and ready to fire at a glance. Interchangeable backstraps allow you to change the grip size. It also includes 2 18-round magazines and a Kydex holster. For a beginner on a budget, it is hard to beat the MSRP, which is almost half of many competitors. Add that you get 2 magazines and a holster, and you will be on the range with nothing else needed except ammunition.